What's good, family? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make black-eyed peas with smoked pigtails in them in the slow cooker, just like your granny used to make when you was growing up. For real. Let's get into it. All the ingredients right here. Let's go. Okay, now we add the pigtails. Going in with some Saison. Stir it up a little bit. Now, mind you, use any kind of smoked meat that you want. Smoked turkey, smoked neck bones, anything. But I just prefer pigtails. You're going in with the black-eyed peas. Now, these are fresh black-eyed peas, so you gotta let these soak for at least 10 hours. Going in with the onion and the onion powder. Now we'll go hit it with some garlic powder. Going in with the chicken stock. That's that extra flavor that you give into your black-eyed peas. But yeah, you can make these on any day, you know what I mean? Any day, any major holiday. Whenever you want black-eyed peas, is what you can make. Go add a little water just to cover it up a little bit. Going in with some bay leaves. Now we'll go add some Saison for color. Now we'll go, let this slow cook for like 10 hours on high. Now we back to it. And this is what it's looking like after 10 hours. Tender. The beans tender. The pigtails tender. For real. It's fire. Look at it. Just look at that. Wish y'all can smell it. Real, taste it. I think these the best black-eyed peas I done made thus far. You know what I mean? For real. But like I say, in the slow cooker, you know what I mean? Take your time with it. You go run you some errands while your food cooking. That's the best thing about a slow cooker. But yeah, this is it. It's finished results. Look at them pigtails. Meat just falling, just falling off the bone. But yeah, thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out. Be blessed.